comparing the hybrid and non-hybrid inverter, I want to show you the difference both in configuration and in appearance. This is our hybrid inverter, as you can see, and this is our non-hybrid inverter, as you can equally see. This hybrid inverter has a space for input, which is the panel input. As you can see, this is solar input, and this specifies the voltage and the wattage that can be generated by the generator. That is to say, if our solar panel is above 6,000 watts or 600 watts, it will not hold, whereas 25 to 26 volt can serve with it. So this is actually a 12 volt inverter system, and that is why it is rated 25 volt. This inverter you see here is a hybrid inverter, and it has a specification of 12 volt for one battery, and this is the wattage it can generate. So all these things are the things that makes it hybrid, because it has the combination of the inverting mode, the charge controller, and the grid function, and that is why it is powered like this. Then in the configuration of non-hybrid inverter, you can see we have our power system here. This is the power on, and this is the functions. So differentiating it, you can see there's no place where it is indicated for PV to come in. That is to say, this is a non-hybrid inverter. This non-hybrid inverter has capacity as well, and it has terminals, like I always say. This is the battery terminals, and this is for the fan. These terminals, positive and negative, you will always see it only for the battery, but there's nothing like solar system in it. Then I have the, just like I showed you, the on and the off. Then we equally have here the places you power it on, which is this, and also the output section and the input. Like I said, this is for the grid. This is a safety breaker for both for the grid input, and this is for the output. And I have another one, the maximum output that you can see here, which is 110 amps is the maximum, because it is coated with this in order to regulate it, to avoid excess load coming in. So here I have my terminals, AC input and AC output, and this is my ground. So from this configuration, you can now use your eye to see that there is nothing like panel voltage coming to this inverter, and that is why this is the best. You are not going to get external charge controller, but with this you need external charge controller for you to power it with PV. So whenever you are choosing an inverter, like I said, always go for hybrid. And I also want you to watch this video and comment, share, and follow me. In few minutes or in few days to come, I will be dropping another video on how you can run the connection of this, and also run the connection of non-hybrid inverter as a practical steps I will guide you in this channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.